Eddie, what are you doing today?
Making Play-Doh.
Making Play-Doh? That sounds like fun. What are you making Play-Doh out of?
3 things.
3 things? What do you have?
Hair conditioner, food coloring, and corn powder.
Corn powder. Looks like cornstarch. Alright. So that should be some fun, easy Play-Doh for kids. Alright, let's get started. Show us how it's done. What are you putting in first?
Food coloring.
What color is that food coloring?
Green.
Alright, and what next?
We're going to put in the corn powder.
Okay. What next?
The hair conditioner.
The hair conditioner.
It's not coming out.
Woo.
There we go.
Alright.
So now,
Okay. And now what do you do?
mix it up with my hand.
Mix, 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 mix. What does it feel like?
Slime.
Slime. Oh, let's see your hands. Oh.
Looks like somebody puked.
Oh no. And you mix it, mix it, mix it until it becomes Play-Doh, right? Keep mixing.
Then I need to clean my hands.
Oh, definitely.
Now we mixed it up for a while, then let's take it out.
Get your Play-Doh out of there.
Got it. Now let's test it out.
Okay, let's see how this Play-Doh works.
Ah!
Cut a chunk off.
I'm using a chunk.
What mold are you putting that one into?
Fire.
A fire hydrant. Is that Play-Doh working good?
Yeah.
It's a little sticky, huh? Let's see how it works in the ice cream maker. Is it making ice cream?
Yes, it's green. Yes. I think it will.
Is it squishy?
Yeah, sticks. Sticks. Put some more there. Make it fill.
Fill up the cone.
Put a lot in there.
Getting some ice let's see that ice cream cone.
Oh,
That looks like some mint ice cream. Nice and green.
it's on there.
Should we bring in some other color Play-Doh? Alright, looks like we have pink. And these are just regular Play-Doh. You're mixing the Play-Doh up. See what color you get. Pink and green swirl. Oh look, here's another color. Purple.
Mix it all together.
Mix that one together. Is that your favorite thing to mix Play-Doh?
Yeah, to make it cool. Colorful.
Just like a rainbow.
Do you know which colors make the rainbow? Green, black, red, white, pink. Multicolor and dark blue.
I would definitely say a rainbow is multicolor. So it looks like the Play-Doh we made is very sticky Play-Doh. Oh wow, you got a big giant ball of Play-Doh.
I need some more.
I think that's all of it. I'm pretty sure you just used it all.
I'm gonna have to take the ball out. Okay, the ball's a little messed up, but it's okay.
So here's the ice cream truck. See how it works in the ice cream truck. You're getting the popsicle mold.
Take a piece out of this hat. Better piece. Ah. Because that's why I want to stay cool. Put the stick in there. Take it out.
Let's see your popsicle. Ooh, that is a cool color popsicle. Let's see it. Let's see the other side. Oh yeah.
Let me make a colorful one. Take out some green and pink. Make it hot. You know why I put this one in cold? Because I want it to stay cold, and I'm going to put this one in hot.
A hot popsicle, I think that might melt.
Wait.
Alright, it is Play-Doh. What am I thinking? Another popsicle stick?
That's good. Now it looks like a real popsicle. Looks like this, but see how it takes out the other popsicle.
Yeah, it comes out. Oh, that was a little too sticky. I think the green is what's making it stick. So our Play-Doh is fun to play with, but it's just a tad sticky.